Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check save draft shorts on YouTube. So first of all, go ahead and open up the app and then tap on the plus icon or the create button, and you're going to be able to choose the create short right here, right? And you're going to be able to see something like this on the screen or on that short screen creation site. Type or creation screen, sorry. Tap the drafts option. You might need to scroll or look for it at the bottom of the screen if you have any drafts saved. From the draft section, you can view your saved shorts. Tap on any draft to edit or publish it. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.